there, I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk about one of the rarest vehicles that we see here in service, the Ferrari. If you're a Ferrari owner, you've already had to commit to a serious relationship with your motor vehicle, your dealership, and with the Ferrari brand for loyalty's sake. Now, Ferrari will try and get you to only go to the dealer for each and every service no matter what, and to get you to sign a contract agreeing to such. However, Ferrari's only open Monday through Friday from 9 to 4, only has one service center in the state of Colorado, and has no parts distribution centers in the United States other than their actual port in Beverly Hills where all of the parts come in from around the world. This doesn't really help you if you want to drive your car. Most of the folks that have a Ferrari like to take it out on the weekend and enjoy it. They're not driving it to work every day, and that's the time that you need to utilize your vehicle the most. How disappointed are you if you go to get into your vehicle and you go to start it up to go out on a Friday night and there's a light up on the dashboard? You're probably not too happy. You're probably going to be pretty angry about it, and you're going to want an answer. And unfortunately, if you own a Ferrari and you follow their rules, you're going to wait 3 days to get to the dealership to get it checked in, and then you're going to wait 24 hours for their diagnosis, and then you're going to wait another 2 to 3 days for them to ship parts from Italy to California, and then another 2 to 3 days for those parts to get from California to your vehicle. So maybe 2 weeks down the road, your vehicle will get repaired. This is the 21st century. At Saul's Autotek, we will answer your call and your concern about your Ferrari 24 hours a day. If you sign up to be in our network, you can call us anytime, anywhere, 365 days a year, and within 30 minutes, you'll have a technician on the phone. You won't have some customer service rep telling you that it'll be in next week. You won't have some rep telling you that the parts aren't available. You'll get a technician ready to help. We have the only Ferrari information system to communicate with these vehicles from the factory outside of a dealership in the United States. We are the only independent that has factory licensed software, and we can talk with these cars and we can help you in every way with yours. We build service programs and packages to maintain them, keep the quality and integrity of the service in the vehicle perfect no matter what, and to keep you running on the road every day. This is a vehicle that when the weather's nice and you want to take out and use, you want to use, and we want to support you. We don't want you waiting 2 weeks for a repair. We don't want you waiting 2 days for a repair. We want you to know that we're here for you. If you've got a concern about yours, if it just needs regular maintenance, maybe there's a performance problem, or you just want to see how we take care of it and make sure that we're the right fit for you, come and see us at Saul's Autotek anytime. 365 days a year at 7939 East Arapahoe Road here in Greenwood Village, Colorado. If you've got a luxury or exotic vehicle and you need us to take care of it, we are your dealer alternative.